demonstrating how to create programs using software such as Fusion, and I'm going to show how to send it to a CNC machine. Follow me. As you can see, the fixture in there, this is a 3D model of the fixture, and this is the product we plan to make with the material. Here is where I used Fusion to write the program. I'll show you a simulation of it now. It first starts by face milling to make a smooth surface on the top. It goes all the way across, up and down, not stepping over too much. It then mills all the way around, outlining the products from the material. It stays, it leaves some material down to make sure you don't run into the fixture. It then chamfers around the edges to turn the sharp edges into a 45-degree angle. After this, it does a oscillating cut in the middle. That way it doesn't overload the spindle, because if you went straight down, it would overload the spindle. And then continues to go and mill out the rest of the mounting holes, as you can see. That is the end of the program. You can see the G code of it after I post-processed it to the specific controller we use. It goes on for a while. And this is how I would send it to the DNC system we have. It Wi-Fi connects. This is the file with the code written, and you would just drop it down here. As you can see, it is already here. And I will show you that it is on the DNC. This is the device we use. And if I open the simulation, 333, it has the toolpath of the simulation I just showed. And before I can send this, there is specific parameters and settings that you need to have that DNC set up with, and you access them by doing this. 7 data bits, even parity, and 1 stop bit. You would have to have the DNC set up with those specific settings, otherwise it would not be able to send to this machine. Before I can prep this to receive, I must prep the DNC device first. Select the file, enter where it is waiting, and then you would come back to memory, input and output, input, and then you would begin. And as you can see, it is writing the code to the CNC machine, line by line. After this, it will automatically store into the machine's memory, and you can use the program. There are a lot of lines of code. It's finished. You can make sure. DNC transfer complete. That, you can scroll through. As you can see, it's already written there, and it's saved within the program. It's 333, and to show you that it runs correctly, you do not have the fixture or the height set or any tools in the machine for the purpose of this demonstration. However, you can still see it follows the correct tool path. It's going to the center point to start. It's going down now, and now it will start that face mill going from in to in. This is the type of cutter that it will be using during this stage. As you can see, there are many pins on it. This is the mill that would be used during the next stage when it is outlining the material to create the product. As you can see, it's following all of the stages of the program that was written in Fusion, and it was sent successfully. So that is how you can write programs in Fusion and send them to a CNC machine.
See here, right here.